Good day and welcome back to another episode. Today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing. I picked up a mystery rag bag from the rag company, so I was just wanting to bring you guys along while I unbox this because, well, for me, I am very excited to see what's in here. If you've been around on the channel for a while, you know that I am an absolute sucker for mystery boxes, mystery bags, mystery whatever it is. And we have one here from the rag company, so as I mentioned, I want to bring you along so you can see what is in the mystery rag bag. That way, when or if they do offer another one again, you can kind of get a feel for what kind of value you're going to get with the mystery rag bag from the rag company. Before we turn into this box, I just want to thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day, stopping in and checking out this video. Also remember, if you're enjoying the content and you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell to turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Also, smash that thumbs up if you like the video. It definitely helps the videos out tremendously, as well as dropping a comment down below. Smash that thumbs up and dropping a comment is all stuff that you can do for free to help support the channel, and all of you guys' support is greatly appreciated on the channel. Also, if there's anything that you would like to purchase from the rag company, use code MeanBee15 to save yourself 15% off of your order from the rag company, and that code is going to be good for you guys to use all year long this year of 2022. So feel free to use that code as much as you would like to help save some of your hard-earned money on buying detailing products and supplies. So as I mentioned, getting into this mystery rag bag, we're going to open this sucker up, see what we've got and what kind of deals slash value we got with this purchase. So as always, from the rag company, as you can see, awesome packaging. They always package everything so nice and well in here. As you can see, I'm just going to tip this up again. You can see everything is packaged very, very well. So we are starting to get into the products. We have the big one. It's a 25 by 40 waffle weave microfiber drying towel. More and more packaging, which I do not complain with the packaging because I want my products to arrive as safe as possible. So possibly it's going to stay up like that. We have right here an IK sprayer, and this is one that I do not have. I can tell already this is their gray one for chemicals, so if you're going to be using like alkaline cleaners, anything like that, that's a strong chemical cleaner. This is going to be the spray bottle that you're going to want to use because it is resistant to those harsh chemicals. So super stoked that I've got that because, as I mentioned, I do not have one of these. Also getting into here, we have a 6-pack of the black microfiber applicator sponges. Super handy for all kinds of things. I'm starting to really love using these for some tire dressings and things like that. Next product we have in here, we'll get this opened up as well. We have got G-Technic G6 Perfect Glass. So we got a glass cleaner, product that I haven't used. So some of these products you may see me using in reviews in the future. So now the box wants to fall over. Next product, super stoked about this. This one right here is Rags to Riches. This Rag to Riches is a teamed up from P&S Detail Products and the Rag Company. If you have not used this for your microfibers, you are definitely missing out. This stuff is absolutely amazing. This is my most favorite microfiber cleaner slash detergent. Amazing product. Next product in the bag that in the rag bag that we have. As you can see, they package everything so well. But right here, P&S Brake Buster, fantastic wheel and tire cleaner. This is my top favorite wheel and tire cleaner. Super excited and stoked that I got that in my mystery rag bag. And then we have one more product here, and then we have a few towels and microfibers in there, it looks like. But right here, we have the P&S Pearl Auto Shampoo. I have not used this yet as well, so be looking for a review on this in the near future. And then we have just a few more products in here. So right here we have some, I'm not sure exactly what these ones are. I believe these are their glass towels. Don't hold me to it. But there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of those in there. So very cool. Their microfibers are absolutely the best microfibers that I've used. I'm a huge supporter of Rag Company microfibers because personally they are the best, and I'm not just saying that. And then in the box, one of the last products we've got here, this is their Cyclone Wash Pad. So it's got a foam layer in it. This is their purple one. These Cyclone Wash Pads are another product that I absolutely love. I use them a lot for washing. And then last but not least, somewhere in here, I'm going to have to go through the packing, is supposed to be a limited edition sticker, but I am not seeing it. So let me look for that. If I find it, I will show you what the sticker is as well. Okay, so I didn't find my sticker. Not a deal breaker, because I'm definitely going to reach out to the guys over at the Rag Company to let them know, and I'm sure they'll take care of it, so not a problem. But as you saw there, that personally is a really good haul for what I got. So these mystery rag bags were $77.77. So as you can see, all the products here is what I've got out of that mystery rag bag. I am super excited for it because it is products that I haven't used, and there's also a few things like the wash pad that I absolutely love. You can't have enough of them. So I went ahead, added everything up, and I will show you right here, as you can see, $125.44. So for spending $77.77, I got $125.44 worth of product. So me personally, I'm going to say yes, that is a great deal. So you're getting more than you pay for. That's what I look for, and that's what I like to see out of anything that is a mystery box, bag, whatever it is that you're getting more than what you paid for, and that I definitely did. So super stoked at what I got. Wanted to bring you along so you could see as well at what I got. So definitely drop in the comments down below what you think. Also, if you ordered up a mystery rag bag for yourself from the Rag Company. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping in and checking out this video. Remember, feel free to use code MeanBee15 throughout the year of 2022 to save yourself 15% on anything you would like to order from the Rag Company. I am not getting any kickbacks on that. That is one of the ways that I can help give you guys a discount code for you to save money, and that is strictly all that it is. So I am here trying to help you guys out for all of your guys' support and everything you do for the channel, because I am greatly appreciative of that, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. But as I mentioned, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, click the bell, turn on all post notifications, smash that thumbs up if you like the video, as well as drop a comment down below in the comment section. I look forward to hearing what you guys think about the mystery rag bag, but I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.